Hey YouTube, we're gonna do Stoned and Starving by the Parquet Chords. They do it with two guitars, and one of them has an alternate tuning, the guy who plays the riff, and the other guy is playing a C7 at the 8th fret mostly. But we're just gonna try to play it in standard tuning, and we're gonna try to play both parts kind of. That's kind of how you could approximate it if you're just playing it by yourself. But let me show you the riff anyway, so in case you want to play that as an intro. We're going to play start on the D string at the 3rd fret. We're going to pull off, and our finger's going to be on the 2nd. I'm going to come up to the A string on the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to jump. We can flatten our finger and jump to the G string, the 3rd fret. Hit that twice. Then we come back to the D string on the 2nd fret. Basically using this little triangle, that's part of the C7 chord. C7 chord is just like your C, and then you take your pinky and you place it on the G string at the 3rd fret. So like when I, like if I sing it, I was walking through a ridge with cranes. I was reading through magazines. I was so starving. Throw that C7 in with your pinky. Then flatten your finger for the B flat major. Okay, we're just going to take our ring finger and kind of twist it to the side and try to hit strings 4, 3, 2 on the 3rd fret. And go back to the C. Alright, that would be very economical way to play it with just one guitar. And you could play it with power chords as well. Play it C, power chord. Especially if you had two guitars, you could have one person play the riff, and the other person could play the power chords. Just C, 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 B flat, C. I'm just playing on the A string, the 3, and the D string, the 5. And then when we slide down, it's the A string at the 1 and the D string at the 3. So, stoned and starving. Play the power chords up here too. 8 at the 8 on your low E, and 10 at the A string. This is up where they're actually playing it. Then you have to go to the 6 and 8 for the B flat. Alright, so it's a real fun song by the Parquet Chords. Have fun playing it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.